Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm back again with another video. Here to share in this one what you might already know, but I'm going to say it again. The key to your business online success, wait for it, will be you. No matter how great I am, no matter how great my mentorship and coaching program is, no matter how great the digital marketing course I'm selling you happens to be, the key to your success will be you. Remember that. I'm here to be helpful. I'm here to be a guide. I'm here to point you in the right direction if needed, help you to inspire you and motivate you to do what you need to do. I'm here to help you to see it in the right way if that's what needed. But the bottom line is the key to your success will be how well you show up and how well you learn the business of online business. So when it comes to this digital marketing course that I'm making available to the person that's looking to start their online journey, that's going to teach you the business of online business, where you get some knowledge and skills out of the deal, where now you situated from a place of knowledge to go out and learn and operate an online business without having to try to figure it out because you invested in a product that was designed to do that. If you invest in this product and you never log in and go through any of the modules and learn anything, then it does you no good to even invest in it. That's $500 you could have took and done something else with. You know what I'm saying? So the key to your success inside your digital online business will be you. The challenge is, with it being so many people online trying to sell you a digital marketing course that's designed and created to help you to get started in your online journey, is trying to find the right person that you can connect with, who you can trust and believe in, who got your back, who ain't trying to look at you as a dollar sign, but truly has a heart desire to see you succeed and to make it, is what I offer. Yes, there's a lot of other people out there that might be more successful and more popular than me online, but I'm not here to compete with anyone. I'm here to be who I am. I'm here to bring a marketing message to the online space that talks to my target market, my target audience. And so all the different things that I talk about in videos, if you're not truly familiar with these things and how they work and how to apply them, then it's a good chance you have no experience or background in digital marketing. And this digital marketing course will definitely be a bonus and a help aid to you learning the business of online business. And some of the perks that come with it, they come with master resale rights that let you resell it like you own it, but like you created, but you didn't. It come with ownership, which is an extra layer of a bonus, because now the digital files that you invested in, you get to pull them down and save them to your computer and do what you will based on the rights that come with it. So once you invest in this program, set up your automation, which allows you to go out and promote this course to other people who can benefit from it just like you, where you can start to make money from that while you're learning the business of online business. In the process, is the beauty of it. And so the people that do business with me is the people who connect with me, the people who identify with me, the people who have a common rapport with me, the people who know, like, and trust me, and who believe I can help them make it happen. People do business with people. And so all the people that I've done business with since I've been online were people who were meant to be part of my world because they connected with me on some level when it came to the content that I produce on my YouTube channel or my Facebook channel. So my goal and my heart's desire is to see you be successful, to see you make it. But the key to your overall success will be you. I'm just a tour guide. I'm just a person who has a true desire to see you make it, to see you succeed, to see you be successful, because that's the same desire I have for me that I have for you. Because see, you can invest in someone you connect with that you know, like, and trust, that you believe is credible. But if they don't have a true desire to see you make it and succeed and there for you in the way you need them to be when it comes to this course and the information that's contained in it that you may need some help with, then it's just lip service. If you invest in this course and I never show up to send you an email or phone call or a text saying, thank you for joining, how can I help you? Let's jump on a phone call / Zoom call. When are you available to talk? And you show up and I show up and we start to build a rapport and a relationship with one another, get to know each other even better so I can have a better sense of who you are and how I can help. Because that's what it truly means. That's what it's truly about. When somebody shows up to let you know I'm here for you, I'm here to help you succeed. This digital marketing educational course stands alone by itself. You don't need me to make it happen. What I offer is a bonus in the form of mentorship to help you better understand the process, especially if you're the new person looking to get started online, who never done this before, who might need that guidance, who might need accountability, leadership, training, and support to go along with that. Is what I bring as a bonus to you purchasing this digital marketing course through me. We have over 20,000 members who purchased this course and growing. And the bottom line is, you might have had somebody who tried to sell you this course already who you just didn't connect with. You just weren't feeling them. And so you pass on that. And so everybody who's going to do business with me are the people that's meant to do business with me. I'm not confused about that. And that's going to be all about how I show up inside my business on a daily basis based on my content. The things I talk about, the things I share. Me being true and authentic to who I am as a person and how that portrays on camera and how people get to read and size me up to see if I'm real about what I say I am. All these things play a role in my success and the way I show up online to help others who eventually do business with me, who I can be a part of their success because I played a small role. The overall role, you got to play is much bigger than mine because you got to do the work. You got to show up and decide, hey, if you want to start an online business, and if you do, regardless of what business model it is, you need the educational portion of it, which this course gives you, which this course stands alone with the value that it brings to the marketplace. Even if I didn't offer mentorship to go with it, you can still learn from this. You can still grow from this. You can still implement your online business because the information and the step-by-step video trainings that you get all the way through it is designed to help you make that happen. What I offer is a bonus to what this digital educational course gives you to help solidify and help you to make sure that the success you say you want to have, that you got somebody in your team can hold you accountable. You got somebody in your team who can guide you and direct you on some things you might not be clear about because you've never done this before. See, the thing about having a business is that it's all about you and how well you show up and do what you need to do. The business can't move and run and grow without you making decisions all the way through it. And they got to be the right decisions. They might be perfect decisions, but they got to be the right decisions. And it's trial and error for a lot of us until we figure out what's good for us, what works for us, that we choose to implement on a consistent basis that's going to help them grow up in. All these things, it's a learning process. And so the longer you do it, the more you do it, the better they can get for you. So remember, the key to your success will always be you. Not the product, not the service, not the person that you connected with, but it'll be you. Now, the role I'm going to help you play might be significant enough to the point where if you don't take heed to what I'm talking about and you want to do it your way, it might not work in your favor. But the bottom line is you are the key to your success. If you're coachable and you're teachable and you got enough humility in you to understand that you know what you don't know and you don't know what you don't know, like I was smart enough to know that when I started my tax preparation business years ago, the only thing I brought to the table was I took a basic income tax course that allowed me to offer the services of tax preparation. But as far as running a business from the front end to the back end, I had no clue about that. And I knew that. And that's what separated me from the rest of the people who thought they knew what they didn't know. It separated me from people who knew it all, but didn't really know nothing. That was front and stunting. That separated me from all those type of people because, see, I was smart enough to know that I had to keep learning and keep growing and keep becoming the person I want to become in order to get to the next levels inside my business. And I knew by myself I couldn't take myself there. I was smart enough to know that from day one. And even though I had quick success financially inside my business for years, I still knew I had to keep learning and growing to get my business where I wanted to go, and I couldn't do it by myself. I had to find some people who had the knowledge and the skills and the success already that I can invest in, who can guide me and show me how to make that happen. The same way for you. You got to be willing to do that, because trying to figure this out on your own is not a marketing strategy that you want to count on. Because a lot of us give up before we even make it to the finish line, because the frustration, the heartache, the pain, the financial investments over and over again in different things that not working, because we truly never gave ourselves a chance in the first place, because we never truly understood what we were doing. No way. I'm grateful to be able to do what I do to help people get started in their online journey through this digital marketing educational course. And I'll see you in my next video.